Hey guys, when was the last time you guys can remember playing against the Titan? That's right, you guys probably don't remember the last time you guys played against the Titan because, well, because of all of the updates, the Titan has grown minuscule. So in this video, we're basically going to be fighting against the Titan and telling you guys some things which you guys should know about the Titan. And yeah guys, it's me, One Dr. Genius, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. So first of all, this may look a little bit intimidating if you haven't been here in an year. And if you guys haven't been here in an year, what are you guys doing? Well, either way, you might be wondering, well, okay, what happens when we battle the Titan? So when you guys go and engage the Titan in a battle, what you guys will notice is that when battling the Titan always appears at the same level which your wizard is at. But not only that, but the Titan also has extra health than your wizard. So that's basically a thing to keep in mind, and usually when you attack the Titan, you usually deal 1/4 of its health to damage to itself. But once you guys defeat the Titan over here, you guys will see that you guys will only be given 1 Titan shard. Now of course you guys will see that it seems like that the Titan has an infinite amount of health. Well, this is not the Titan's health. This is basically how much damage you have to deal to get 1 shard off the Titan. Alright guys, so as you can see, over here it took us 4 attacks to kill the Titan, and of course we did 999,000 damage in the end. Well, it took us 4 attacks on the Titan to get 1 single Titan shard, right? Yeah, let's collect our Titan shard over here. As you guys can see, when we open the chest, you only get 1 Titan shard and nothing else. Well, let's see what happens when we use the catapult over here, right guys? Now, there are 3 methods of getting Titan shards. You guys can do team battles when there are other people around and you can group up with them and attack the Titan. Here's an example of team battles, which I will show later. But right now, let's go to the catapult. So how does the catapult work? Basically, when you click on the catapult, it's only for members and you get yeeted into a battle. But that's not the only thing which gets yeeted into battle. The second thing is that every time you attack, well, what happens is you guys can get 2 Titan crystals. Now, Titan crystals, you only get to do 1 battle and you get 2 Titan crystals, which is a step up. And of course, this isn't really the best, but you guys can tell it also takes us 4 questions answered, but we get twice the reward. So this gives us 50% more rewards.
Project copies are the color ones, the one with color pages. The ones with color pages are the project copies.
Yeah, and then over there you guys could see we got 2 Titan shards and we launched the catapult at it. Now of course that won't take too much of its health down, so now let's look at how team battles work. Basically in team battles, you set up a team, you get 3 or 2 players, and when you go you have a certain amount of collective health, and then the Titan has a certain amount of health. So basically it's your team's goal to continuously answer correct spells and defeat the Titan before it can take out all of your health. Some of you might have forgotten about this, and it seems like someone has set up a team, so let's join and let's see if they start the match. Alright guys, so now over here we have an example of Titan battles. So basically to cast a spell, you guys have to click on the crystal in the center. Now when you click on the crystal, it will allow you guys to cast a spell on the Titan. Right, so now whoever answers their question first will be able to cast their spell. Then your wizard. Then the other guy who answers the question first. Now of course you guys want to click on this as fast as possible and continuously answer spells, so that's 3. So now basically in this it depends on how many different spells you guys can chain together and how fast. Now of course if you have an AFK member then you're already at a disadvantage. But right over here you guys can see all 3 of us are casting our spells and they missed. That's not good. Okay, for the people they shouldn't miss their spells because that's not very good. Now of course you guys can't select the spells, you guys just have to answer the question. And over here you guys can see we have missed 2 questions and now the Titan will deal up. But anyways, you guys can see it basically depends on how many different attacks you guys can get off at the Titan. Come on. You guys just have to answer a lot of questions very quickly in order to deal damage to this guy. So let's just cast another spell. And another spell. It seems like all of our teammates just went AFK, so I'll be able to get the maximum amount of 6 shards, so that's good. Now, I do believe that the maximum amount is 6 shards, although I can't remember if it was 6 or 5. But either way, you guys can see this guy casted a spell, and now, in the end, all of us will cast our spells together after they miss. Right, yeah. So now, basically, my spell will come in over here, and all of us will do approximately 9,000 damage to the Titan, and now the Titan is defeated. So you guys can see that counts as a Titan hit. Now if you guys go over here, you guys can see that we earned 4 shards for answering 5 spells. Now of course that's not the best, but I do believe that the maximum is 5. And of course from this, the only thing which will happen is that your wizard will only get the experience, none of your pets. And once you guys do that, you can get an upwards of approximately 5 Titan shards per battle. Now of course this depends on how many questions you answer, but you guys get it. Now the reason why I'm saying this is because not many of you guys would be because not many of you guys have these items over here. How many of you guys can say, I have the hats, I have the outfits, I have the boots, I have the wands, and I have all of the house items? Well, not many of you guys can say this, so yeah, that's what I'm making this video for. I'm basically showing you guys tips on defeating the Titan, so you guys can buy yourself 9 of all of these. So you guys can buy yourself all of these wands, all of these boots, because if you guys ask me, you know, the next power move which you guys could do other than being golden rank in the arena is buying all of these. Because this takes a lot of grinding, over 500 non-stop battles against one entity, or 100 non-stop battles, or 250 non-stop battles. You guys can see the task looks less grueling if you guys can manage to do it properly and reduce the task. Right, so yeah, right now I only have 1 wand, 1 outfit, and 1 boot. So what I'm aiming for is I'm aiming for this helmet, which kind of looks like the samurai helmet. So yeah, I'm aiming for that. And then next, I think I'll go for the fire one, because that also kind of looks cool. So yeah, and the fire wand, it kind of just looks like the hammer. So yeah, nice. And really, that's basically all you guys need to know about it. Of course, you guys also do get rewards for battling the Titan. Now, if you click on that board sign over there, you guys can see what whatever this guy's name is, whatever Harvey says is battle the Titan to battles you win against the Titan, the bigger the reward you get when it's defeated. Right, so you guys can see all of these things over here tell you how many battles you need to do. You need to do 10 battles to get 10 of these, 30 battles to get 30 additional shards, 60 battles to get 60 additional shards, and 100 battles to get 100 additional shards. Alright guys, so if you guys do 100 full team battles, you guys will already get 500. But not only that, but you guys will get an additional 100, meaning you guys can get 600 Titan shards by doing just 100 battles, which is kind of OP if you guys ask me. So yeah, I hope I made it easier for some of you guys to get like Titan shards. And yeah guys, so I hope you guys found this video informational and entertaining. And if you guys did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a humongous thumbs up if you guys haven't already. And I will be catching you all next time. One Dr. Genius out the house. Also guys, I really hope I was able to help you guys defeat the Titan much faster than usual.